So in this lesson, we are going to tackle selection of a good quality seeds. But before we start our lesson, let's talk about what a good quality seedlings really means. A good quality seedlings is healthy, vigorous, and free of disease, with a strong single stem, a dense root stem with white tips, and healthy dark green color. And of course, at the end of this lesson, we have our objectives. First objectives is identify the characteristic of a good quality seeds. Number 2, give the advantage and disadvantage of producing own seeds. And number 3, select good quality seeds. And at this moment, I think you are ready for our discussion. So, let's start!
What is seed? A seed is a fertilized and ripened ovule which may develop into a plant by germination. Its primary function is for reproduction. Because of this, the vegetable grower must be knowledgeable about seeds, especially for planting purposes. He must be familiar with the characteristics of a good quality seeds. For example, in a simple terms, a seed is a starting point of a plant's life. Its primary function is reproduction, meaning it allows plants to produce more of their kind. Because of this, a vegetable grower or farmer needs to be knowledgeable about seeds, especially when choosing which ones to plant. It is important for them to understand the characteristics of a good quality seeds to ensure healthy growth and better harvest. Characteristics of a good quality seeds. Number 1. Viable, which is the ability of the seed to germinate and continue its growth and development until the reserve food has been consumed by the young plant. For example, the seed can germinate and continue growing using its stored food. Number 2. Clean when there are no impurities or mixtures of any kind. For example, it has no impurities, dirt, or unwanted particles mixed with it. Number 3. Free from seed-borne diseases. For example, it is not infected with diseases that can harm the plant. Number 4. Free from damages. For example, the seed is whole, unbroken, and not physically harmed. Number 5. Mature and plump. Example, it is fully developed and filled, indicating good nutrients inside. Number 6. True to type, which means it carries the characteristics of the mother plant. For example, the plant that grows from it will have the same characteristics as the mother plant.
Securing seeds. Usually, local vegetables growers plant vegetable seeds that come their way without realizing where they come from. This is also true of schools and parents at home who have interest in planting. Many local vegetable growers, as well as the school and parents who enjoy planting, often use whatever seeds are available without checking their source of quality. Because of this, they may end up planting seeds that are not suitable for their area, are low quality, or may not grow well. This can lead to poor plant growth and low harvest. According to Kalakala 1977, there are two main ways to get seeds for planting. First, you can buy seeds from local seed stores or trusted seeds producers. Second, farmers can produce their own seeds, especially for open pollinated crops that can be saved and replanted. These methods helps ensure that the seeds used are reliable and suitable for planting. In securing seeds to plant, one must consider the quality of the product and make sure that the seeds are adapted to the locality. It would be waste of time if one would plant seeds that are not low quality, not viable, or not adapted to the place. When getting seeds for planting, it's important to choose good quality seeds that can grow well in a local environment. If the seeds are weak, not suitable for the area, or cannot grow properly, it will only waste time and effort because the plants will not develop well. In the early years, local vegetable growers used to produce their own seed stocks to plant because of the reasons such as
Number 1.
a supply of seeds is always made available. This means you will always have seeds ready for planting, ensuring continuously production. Number 2, a higher percentage of germination is assured. Good quality seeds are more likely to sprout, giving better chances to successful growth. Number 3, knowledge of the performance of the plant is present. You already know how to plant grows. It needs and how well it produces, making it easier to manage. Number 4, an improvement of quality and quantity of the produce is possible. Using reliable seeds can lead to healthier plants and bigger harvest.
Seed growing is an exacting work. Ang pagtatanim para sa paggawa ng binhi ay isang maselang gawain. Hindi madali ang paggawa ng binhi, kailangan nito ng maingat na pag-aalaga at tamang proseso dahil nakasalalay dito ang kalidad ng binhi. Kapag nagkamali, maaaring maging mababa ang kalidad ng binhi o mahina ang pagtubo. Number 2, it competes with the normal work in the nursery. Nakikipagkumpetensya ito sa karaniwang gawain sa punlaan. Marami nang ginawa ang mga magsasaka o hardinero tulad ng pagtatanim, pagdidilig, pag-aalis ng damo at pag-aani. Ang pagdaragdag pa ng paggawa ng binhi ay dagdag trabaho na maaaring kumuha ng oras at lakas mula sa kanilang pang-araw-araw na gawain. Number 3, it calls for knowledge of the principles of plant breeding. Nangangailangan ito ng kaalaman sa prinsipyo ng plant breeding. Para makagawa ng dekalidad na binhi, kailangan ng magsasaka ng kaalaman sa genetika at tamang pagpaparami ng halaman. Kung wala nito, maaaring makagawa sila ng binhi na mahina ang tubo o may hindi ka nais-nais na katangian. It calls for keen observation. Nangangailangan ito ng matapang na pagmamasid. Ang paggawa ng magandang binhi ay nangangailangan ng masusing pag-obserba sa mga halaman upang makita kung may sakit, peste o hindi ka nais-nais na katangian. Kailangan piliin ng magsasaka ang pinakamahusay na halaman para pagkunan ng binhi. Sa madaling sabi, mahirap gumawa ng sariling binhi dahil nangangailangan ito ng espesyal na kaalaman, masusing atensyon at dagdag na oras at pagsisikap na maaring makabangga sa iba pang gawain sa bukid. These are seed bought from reliable seed producer. The seed possess the good quality of seed. The seeds must be used before the expiry date. Ang mga binhi nito ay galing sa mapagkatiwalaang tagagawa ng binhi. Kaya mas malaki ang posibilidad na mataas ang kanilang kalidad. Mahalaga ang dekalidad na binhi dahil mas malaki ang tsansang tumubo ito ng maayos at maging malusog na halaman. Bukod dito, dapat gamitin ang mga binhi bago ang kanilang petsa na pagkapaso dahil sa paglipas ng panahon. Nawawala ang bisa ng mga ito, ang matatandang binhi ay maaring hindi tumubo ng maayos o kaya naman ay magresulta ng mahihinang halaman. Sa madaling sabi, ang pagbili ng binhi mula sa mapagkakatiwalaang tagagawa at ang paggamit nito bago ma-expired ay nakakatulong upang masigurong magiging malusog at matatag ang iyong mga halaman. In growing seedlings, the most important thing to consider is the quality of the seeds. Good quality seeds are viable through its name, free from damage and fully developed. In securing seeds, you must consider the quality of the seed and its adaptation to the locality. Sa pagtatanim ng mga punla, ang pinakamahalagang salik ay ang kalidad ng mga binhi. Dahil ang magagandang binhi ang nagtatakda kung gaano kalusog at kaproduktibo ang mga halaman. Ang dekalidad na binhi ay may mataas ng posibilidad na tumubo tama sa kanilang uri. Walang sira at ganang na hinog. Kapag kukuha ng mga binhi, mahalaga ring isalang-alang kung ang mga ito ay angkop sa lokal na kondisyon dahil kahit mataas ang kalidad ng binhi, maaari pa rin itong hindi tumubo ng maayos kung hindi ito bagay sa klima, lupa o kapaligiran. Gayunpaman, ang paggawa ng sariling binhi ay may mga kahinaan, lalo na
para sa karaniwang magsasaka.
And that's where our lesson ends. Always remember that when planting seeds, you must always choose good, healthy seeds so that there is no wasted effort, money, and especially time. Because in every planting, we have the same goal, and that is to grow it with the right nutrients and sell it so that every second we spend on planting is not wasted. Thank you for watching and learning with us. Hope you guys learn a lesson about our topic and don't hesitate to ask any question if you have any queries.